what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming.
Out, and we're gonna get ready to do some Demolition Derby 2023. Are you ready?
Let's do this. Go!
Hi, I'm Jamie Patton. I drive the number 6 Chevy 1500 in the 2023 Demolition Derby for the Plata County Fair. I won first today. It was a good show. There were some definitely hard hits out there. People come out here to have a good time, you know. We're all buddies. We all help each other build these things, but when they drop that green flag, all the friendships go away and it's last man for themselves. And it was definitely a good time. I need to thank all my sponsors for the love of custom art. Lucky Few Towing, Fender Menders, Requiem Metals, JB Welding, Farrell's Welding. Without those guys, I could not do this. There's a whole team of us that get together to build these. We spend nights, weekends away from our friends and families to do this, and we had a great time, and it was a great show. Track was amazing, and can't thank the Plata County Fair enough for putting the show on for us this year.
Cars are knocking those rails all over the place. I love it.
My legal name is Mary Tate, but everybody calls me Sissy. I'm one of 4 sisters, and that's why they call me Sissy. I live in Durango. I've been here for 6 years. I live next door to Ralph Brawley. And when I came as a spectator last year and I saw that, oh, that looks like so much fun. I'd like to do that. Well, I should have told Ralph Brawley that because he's held me to it for the whole year. So I'm in a Toyota Corolla. I was going to be in a Subaru because I'm the only one that can drive a stick shift.
Yeah.
So I thought that's what it would be. He couldn't get it going, so that's why I'm in the Toyota Corolla. I think he said it might be an 05. But I'm not sure. But anyway, too much fun. The fans were just great for an old woman. It was great. I loved it. I wanted to get that chicken flag. Or I didn't know about that. And I couldn't get the thing out of park into reverse. I go, what's wrong here? So I was late trying, and the chicken flag was on the ground. Well, you can't get out to get it. So with that, it was a boom and another boom. I didn't think I even hit anybody, but my sister said, yeah, I did. But boy, I got hit really hard. Thank God for the neck brace. It pushed my helmet forward, knocked my glasses off in the back of the car. That's how hard I found. Where's that stick? I'm out of here. That's it. Break the stick, because that tells them that you're not going to run anymore. And the firemen couldn't have been better. I told them here in the pits, I'm going to be driving 79 and a half because that's my age. They go, no. I said, I can get in the car okay. If I'm out there stuck, you see any smoke, come and get me. They said, we'll keep an eye on you. And they came and got me. They did. So, just great fun. Great fun.
Then what was your injury?
I got, it skinned my elbow here from the side. It's just ripped some skin off. The firemen already, just the top layer, they did, yeah.